Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today topic is some problems discussed. This problems is depend upon non-uniform motion problems. It's very important in JEE mains and NEET level. Okay, in this first problem, if the velocity of a particle is v is equal to at plus bt square, where a and b are constants, then the distance traveled by between 1 second and 2 seconds. Okay, in the given that the v is equal to at plus bt square, this is a dx by dt, that is equal to at plus bt square, cross multiplication, dx is equal to at plus bt square into dt. Okay, both sides integration are applied, then the distance traveled between 1 second to 2 seconds, and this distance is 0 to x, dx is equal to integration 1 to 2 at plus bt square. Okay, this x minus 0 is equal to a into integration t square by 2 1 to 2 plus b into integration t square is the t cube by 3 1 to 2, x minus 0, that is x is equal to a into 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus b into 2 cube 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3, then x is equal to 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, 3a by 2 plus 8 minus 1 7b by 3. This is the distance traveled, that form that is answer 3a by 2 plus 7b by 3. The next second problem. In this second problem, a particle has the initial velocity 2I bar plus 3j bar and acceleration 0.3 I bar plus 0.2 j bar. Then find out the magnitude of velocity. The magnitude of velocity means v bar, mod of v, that calculated after 10 seconds will be. In this problem is a very easy problem, is very important in NEET and JEE mains level. Initial velocity u bar is equal to 2I bar plus 3j bar. Acceleration a bar is equal to 0.3 I bar plus 0.2 j bar. The time taken t is equal to 10 seconds. Okay, in this bar it is denoted the velocity and the acceleration, these two are vector quantities. So what is a vector quantity? The quantities which are having both magnitude and direction. So magnitude means some quantity, the direction, the body is moving, some bodies are moving east direction, some bodies are moving west direction, south direction, okay, and north direction also, that is the direction. In this one, in this arrow, the length of the segment, it is indicated magnitude of vector. In this arrow is indicated direction. According to kinematics first equation, v bar is equal to u bar plus a bar into t, 2I bar plus 3j bar plus a bar is the 0.3 I bar plus 0.2 j bar into 10. Okay, 2I bar plus 3J bar plus 0.3 into 10, 3. 3I bar plus 0.2 into 10, 2. 2J bar. Okay, these two are adding 2 plus 3, 5. 5I bar plus 3 plus 2, 5. 5J bar. Then find out magnitude. Magnitude is mod V bar is equal to square root of 5 square plus 5 square, 25 plus 25, that is equal to 50. So 50 it is written as 25 2s, 5 root 2 units. This is magnitude of velocity after 10 seconds, 5 root 2 units. This is second problem. Next, third problem. In this third problem, the motion of a particle along a straight line is described by equation x is equal to 8 plus 12t minus t cube, where x in meter, t in seconds. The retardation of the particle when its velocity becomes 0 is. So find out retardation. In this retardation, student, the retardation means the velocity, the change in velocity of a particle is decreases with respect to time taken. That is called retardation or negative acceleration. Okay, in this problem, first to write the equation. X is equal to 8 plus 12t minus t cube. The final velocity of the particle, will be 0. Then V is equal to d by dt of 8 plus 12t minus t cube. The V is equal to 12 minus 3t square. The final velocity will be 0. 0 is equal to 12 minus 3t square. 3t square is equal to 12. The t is equal to 2 seconds. Okay, the retardation, then retardation of the particle. The retardation of particle is A is equal to dv by dt. That is equal to d by dt of V. 12 minus 3t square, okay, minus 6t. Here t is equal to 2 seconds. 6 to is 12, minus 12 meter per second square. This is the answer in third problem. Okay, students, in this problem, the retardation means the change in velocity is decreases with respect to time taken. That is called retardation or negative acceleration. So which cases is retardation is applicable? Okay, for example, a boy is drove his bike from one place to another place. So suddenly the speed breaker is there on the road. Thus, the time that driver is running slowly, the speed is the velocity will be decreases 0. The rest position, that is the 0. The answer is A is equal to minus 12 meter per second square. This is the retardation. The fourth problem, the displacement of a particle is represented by S is equal to 3t cube plus 7t square plus 5t plus 8, where S in meter and t in second. The acceleration of the particle at t is equal to 1 second is. Okay, students, this is the differentiation problem, not integration. In this integration, one thing student, that is the limit values. The limit values are from for example the time taken between t is equal to 1 second to 2 second, or time t is equal to 3 seconds to 4 seconds. That is the integration. In this one, the differentiation. Okay, write first to equation. S is equal to 3t cube plus 7t square plus 5t plus 8. Okay, the first to differentiate with respect to t, the velocity is equal to ds by dt, that is equal to 9t square plus 14t plus 5. Next, to acceleration, a is equal to the change in velocity by time taken, 18t plus 14. The acceleration of the particle at t is equal to 1 second. Then t is equal to 1 second. The t value is substituted in the place of t for acceleration. A is equal to 18 into 1 plus 14, that is equal to 18 once 18 plus 14, that is equal to 32 meter per second square. This is a very important problem in NEET and mains level. Next, the fifth problem. Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. So our today topic is the problems discussed on the uniform motion, the uniform acceleration. Okay, in this one, in these problems are so very important, very important in NEET and AIMS and JEE mains level. It's a very important differentiation and integration problems. This video is a continuation of the previous video. Okay, discuss the relation 3t is equal to root over 3x plus 6 describes the displacement of a particle in one direction where x in meters and t in seconds. The displacement when velocity is 0. Velocity is 0, then find out displacement. Okay, first write in equation 3t is equal to square root of 3x plus 6. Okay, squaring on both sides. First to 3t minus 6 is equal to root over 3x. Squaring on both sides, 3t minus 6 whole square is equal to the square and root cancel, remaining 3x. First a minus b whole square, a square plus in this one 3t, so 9t square, so minus 2ab, 2 3 6 6 6 36t plus 6 6 36 is equal to 3x. Okay, 3 common, 3t square minus 12t plus 12 is equal to 3x. Okay, x is equal to 3t square minus 12t plus 12. Okay, this is the displacement equation. First to find out velocity. Velocity is nothing but change in displacement by time taken d by dt of 3t square minus 12t plus 12, 6t minus 12. Okay, in this velocity 0, 6t minus 12 is equal to 0, then t is equal to 2 second. Okay, the 2 second, t is equal to 2 second is substitute in the place of t in displacement equation. X is equal to 3 into 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus 12. X is equal to 3 fourths 12 minus 24 plus 12. Okay, this total cancel, then x is equal to 0. So when velocity is 0, then displacement also is 0. This is the problem. The next problem discuss. Okay, in this problem, the displacement of a particle varies with the time as s is equal to at square minus bt cube. The acceleration of the particle will be 0 at time t equal to. Okay, this is also same in this one. First write equation, students. S is equal to at square minus bt cube. Okay, differentiation, so both sides are applied. The velocity is equal to ds by dt, that is equal to 2at minus 3bt square. The next one, again the differentiation with respect to t. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time taken, 2a minus 6bt. In this problem, the acceleration of particle will be 0. 2a minus 6bt is equal to 0. 2a is equal to 6bt. 2 ones, 2 3s. Then t is equal to a by 3b. This is the answer. T is equal to a by 3b. These problems is very important in NEET and AIMS and JEE mains level also. These problems are very important. Hope you like this video, students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.